everyone. All of a sudden, our lives are bombarded with heavyweight words like COVID-19, pandemic, international crisis, lockdown, home quarantine, migratory wage earners. This is not something that we witness on a regular basis, isn't it? All other needs, all other luxuries have taken a backseat, and the entire world is fighting against one single opponent, COVID-19, the invisible killer. Do you all realize that you are in the middle of a historical event of the making? This much of free time you may not get in future because you have to stay at home to save the nation in this lockdown period. So we all need to utilize this free time in a meaningful way. See, you were missing out on your CCA classes, isn't it? Even though your teachers are working hard towards your academics, but why not the free time to be used to acquire some life skills? One of the most important life skills is to learn how to document things. And what more better subject you can get than COVID-19 at present moment. I decided to capture this history on my own way. You follow your heart's call and capture it in efficiently. Surely that is going to help you in future because documentation is important. Now see, I have taken this old copy which is lying with me. It's of no use now, 3-4 years old. And I have some colored papers which I'm going to use, but you may use old newspaper, the glossy places or any white paper also that is lying with you. Now see, this paper and my paper which I am taken both are A4 size, so I have cut it little short. And after cutting, I got these strips which I am going to use as labels afterwards. Now from everyday's newspaper, the two dailies that come to my home is Times of India and Asia. From these two newspapers, whatever important landmark incidents I feel, I am cutting out, and I kept on pasting on each page. Left hand side page I am pasting the news, and right hand side page, as and when it will happen, I will keep on writing. Till now whatever I have done, this is it, Crisis COVID, where I have chosen a picture of lockdown and the online education, which is a landmark incident for us. Of course I will add to it some more, but things are yet to happen. Mask India movement by Times of India, which is here to stay. I have left places empty because there are other incidents that is going to happen, and I will write as and when it comes. All the world leaders are fighting against one single enemy. State has formed a global advisory committee. Janta curfew and lockdown, which is very, very rare that we have witnessed or witnessing. All the major sporting events are postponed, including Olympic, IPL, etc. All the health habits that we knew, that we used to learn in the books, now we have to practice on a daily basis every day. This is mandatory. There is no way we can ignore these habits anymore. Lockdown is extended. Stray dogs and other people from the poor section of the economic class are fighting to live. So here I am going to write my own note, yet to write. How to use your money and food in an effective way. That is, saving money and food is a life skill now. The food peels are also now advised to be used on a regular basis. How to store food items, so very important thing. There's a high chance that joblessness will be a major crisis after COVID-19 gets over. So Prime Minister and all other eminent personalities of the country fighting to get it. Even though we are struggling, but see, wildlife is very happy with less pollution and less human on the road. Some very rare incidents we are witnessing. Flip Learn is now an integral part of our education system, and schools are struggling to get their working days, total number of working days in academic year. Entertainment industry is not far behind. Already a film on Corona from Canada, Asterix, predicted this crisis 2 years back. The cartoonists are working, the meme artists and everyone is minting money from this. Okay, so let's go video. Let me receive my phone. Oh my god. The touch sense is not working here in my phone. Abhishek, can you sort it out please? Just check it out.
Okay ma'am, let me see your phone. Ma'am, your phone is filled up with junk files and that's why it's giving you trouble. No problem, I will sort it out. Hi all, hope all of you are doing well. So as we talk about acquiring life skill sets, it is of utmost importance to choose which are the people valuable to keep in and who are all the trash. That may take some time till you grow up to understand, because reading people's mind is not an easy task. But for the time being, we can definitely learn how to clean the trash or junk in the electronic gadgets which we use in our day-to-day life. Like unwanted people bring your morale down and consumes your energy and thinking ability unwantedly, these junks too reduces the efficiency of your machines by slowing them down. Okay, so today I'm going to get rid of these stuffs which I don't require in the future, all the trash from my gallery, mailboxes, messages, or even the files from the storage. It's a very important life skill which must be amalgamated in your good habits. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to clear up my phone gallery. So I'm going to open the gallery, select all the pictures which are not so important or I don't require further. So I'm going to select all those pictures and then I'm going to simply click on delete. And don't forget to delete it from the recycle bin as well. Do you all know that there are so many system generated junk files which we are unaware of? To get rid of those trash, we have to scan the phone once in a week through some specially secured apps or antivirus. Oh, back pain. Long hours of using these electronic gadgets are really taking the toll. Manavendra sir, do you have anything to suggest?
Of course, I have suggestions to the same. Hi everyone. Well, the most precious wealth anyone can possess is fit body and mind. Physical exercise as a part of our daily routine is the most essential skill we all have to master. Well workout muscle and repetitive circulating of blood provide us energy to face life challenges each day. So here I go with my interpretation of starting a day with Sri Namaste. Let's start. So I hope everybody will practice every day. Stay fit, stay at your home. Reena ma'am, do you have a lesson to suggest?
Yes, Manavendra sir, I do have some idea to give. One more life skill that matters a lot when children are growing up is knowing proper table manners. While attending corporate meet, it boosts self-confidence and leaves a better impression with others. At a very young age, when we start developing the skill in children, we empower the improvement of cognitive skills too. While they move their hands, fingers, and they think critically to match shapes with objects, they surely advance one step forward in life. So I have drawn the shapes and I have colored them. This circle is for the plate. This is for the spoon and knife. This is for the fork and napkin. And this goes in front for the glass, a little bit at the right. Now I'm going to place the spoon will be here, the knife here, then the fork will be on the left side. This is the napkin which I'll put under the fork. Then comes the plate and the glass. I put it here. So this is how we set the table.